Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Okay, so we left on this app that I'm running right now with this label that says Wieldary test that is saying anything and everything that is needed. So let me just run the app again to see what we're having here and to see if we need some fixes in the UI, since these are fixes that we only see and we cannot just test like that. We test when we see them. So as you can see, I test here and I see them, and I'm seeing this label is a little bit out of the ordinary. You see how it says there? So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the label and I'm going to add the text. Okay, and the text, I had it here, so I'm going to add this text, which is the text that I usually use, and you see it goes out of bounds and everything. And also, if I do the command U right now, now my test starts failing because it should be started with no text at all. So that's easy to fix. First of all, I'm going to go here on the viewed load. After it loads, I'm going to say that the label, the text, should be initialized to nothing. Now I command U this, and my test should be passing now. Okay, so my tests are succeeding, and I'm going to commit, and I'm going to say added label text to storyboard in order to check the UI. Commit 3 files and push, commit and push. Okay, now that I have this, what I want to do is get rid of some constraints here first, and then make it look good and make it look how I want it to look. So first of all, let me get rid of those constraints, which is align to center and align to Y. And let me just now go to the date label and have this size it again. I now want to size it like this. You see, now it seems to be actually how I like it. There it is. There's how I like it. Saturday, May 1, 2021 at 3 a.m. right? So now I'm going to horizontally and vertically container, and it spreads out. You see, so I don't want that. What I want is that to be there, like this, at 4 constraints, and I'm still missing some constraints here. So let me just get rid of all these constraints. Is this just trial and error, you see? So what I actually want is this to be like this. So I think I'll have to put a width and a height, and then I can horizontally and vertically container. And that's it. That's how I want it. Also, I have some stuff missing here. Fix something with set constraints current width. Now remove constraints. No. So actually align to center wide, it's fine, but this align to center Y. Maybe what I need is just this. Make it all around it. And some warnings with my width is getting in the way. I think this is better. Let me see if I can. So I have aligned the width, and I want the width. Actually, no. The width should be there. Align to center. Maybe this alignment is not cool enough. Those alignments I can't use, but I can use this. And now if I do this with my constraints, constraint with 2 greater or equal to, now it's working. So you see, you just had to play around. I think this is what I needed. I'll run the test now. And now I have it as I really wanted. So Sunday, Wednesday, April 28th, 2021, May, Tuesday, May. So it's the friendly date. It shows everything, the time and all that stuff, you see. So now for the fighter emblem, right now we're April 11. The fighter emblem will be available at Friday, April 16, 2021 at 3 a.m. And this is my local time, that is GMT -5. So now I'm going to commit. So I'm going to say change layout on storyboard. So the friendly date doesn't expand out of bounds. Commit and push. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's what we did right now. We just beautified the UI with no test whatsoever, because the test of the UI should be by your eyes and you should see them. There are other types of tests we can use with the UI tests, not everything, but first things first, I just wanted to tell you how to see it with the immediate feedback, that is the storyboard, and the storyboard just gave us the layout that we needed, and that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to push that notification bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.